Have you ever stopped to really look at a butterfly wing? They're often admired for their vibrant colors and delicate patterns. But have you ever wondered what makes them so beautiful? Today, we're going on a journey into a world invisible to the naked eye. A world revealed under the microscope, the unseen beauty of a butterfly wing. At first glance, a butterfly wing seems like a simple, colorful membrane. But under a microscope, the reality is far more complex and stunning. The colors we see aren't just from pigments. They're often the result of something called structural coloration. Tiny overlapping scales, like shingles on a roof, create intricate patterns that scatter and reflect light in different ways. This is what gives the wings their shimmering, iridescent appearance. These scales aren't just for show. They serve several important functions. They provide strength and support to the delicate wing, protecting it from damage. They also help with thermoregulation, absorbing or reflecting heat to maintain the butterfly's body temperature. Some scales even have a role in aerodynamics, influencing how the butterfly flies. The surface of a butterfly wing is a landscape of ridges, grooves, and microscopic structures. These features vary depending on the species, creating unique textures and patterns. Some scales have tiny holes or pores, which may help with scent dispersal or water repellency. Looking closer, we can see the veins that run through the wings, providing a network of support and carrying nutrients and air. Each scale is a work of art, with intricate designs and textures. The colors and patterns can be remarkably diverse, from the bold stripes of a tiger swallowtail to the subtle hues of a monarch butterfly. These patterns are not random. They serve various purposes, such as camouflage, attracting mates, or warning predators. So the next time you see a butterfly, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity and beauty of its wings. What appears simple on the surface reveals an entire universe of wonder under the microscope. It's a testament to the marvels of nature, a reminder that beauty often lies in the details we can't see with our own eyes.